Need to install an AI dashcam for Verizon Connect? Here's how. We'll show you how to prep, connect, mount, tidy up, and assign the camera to the vehicle. Let's start with preparation. Before we begin the installation, let's prepare a few things. Make sure there's a vehicle data device or other compatible vehicle tracker already installed in the vehicle, and that the vehicle is parked on a flat surface for proper configuration of the dashcam. Make sure there's at least 25 yards of clear space ahead of the vehicle so you can estimate the horizon. Turn off the ignition. Check that you have good network coverage and make sure the temperature outside is not too hot or cold. Have all the items in the box ready to go. Now we'll walk you through how to connect the camera. Download the integrated video app and log in. Scan the barcode printed on the camera or the box. Identify the vehicle in the list. Find the OBD2 port and connect the pass-through adapter to the OBD2 port. Turn on the ignition. Wait 5 minutes. You'll see solid blue and green lights when the camera has booted up. Now it's time to mount the camera. Remove the side panel from the camera. Position the camera as illustrated in the app. Ensure it does not obstruct the driver's view. Adjust the road-facing camera by rotating the mounting lens. Check the camera preview for the road-facing camera. Adjust the driver-facing camera and check the camera preview. Clean the windshield with the alcohol wipes provided. Peel off the protective tabs from both camera lenses. Peel off the protective layer from the mounting pad on the camera bracket. Press the camera onto the windshield and hold for 30 seconds. Check the camera preview and make any final adjustments by rotating the camera lens. Now remove the camera from the bracket by sliding it firmly to the left. Tighten the road-facing camera lock using the tool provided. Slide the camera back onto the mounting bracket. Let's see how to tidy up things before moving to the final step. Replace the side panel and tighten both screws to lock it. Hide the cables in the roof lining using the install tool provided. Route the cables down the A-pillar or clip them onto the windshield using the clips provided. Route the power cable around the side and behind the interior panels down towards the OBD2 port. Use the cable ties provided to tidy cabling and secure under the dash. Make sure it does not interfere with the driver's safe operation of the vehicle. While not in use, store the privacy covers in the drawstring bag provided, somewhere within the driver's reach. Now, let's see how to assign the camera. Using the app, assign the camera to the vehicle. Wait a few moments for the camera to connect to the vehicle. Plug back in any vehicle tracking unit removed during the process. Check the driver's view is clear. If you need any help, visit our help center at install.verizonconnect.com.